guys, it's my birthday and it's part 2. And
Wala naman ang hagdanan.
wish that
Tingnan na ni Papa. Pinintay lang.
me. And she's her birthday. She's her birthday. Look at my get them. This one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Eyes. Wait, I gotta see this. But guys, look at this. I get your eyes. Close your eyes. Ilawin natin yung lahat. Wag.
Di pagka
Eto, yung dumplings naman, sumunod. Bilis. Dumplings didn't fit. Dumplings naman.
Ngayon.
Wow. Sunod. And I have a squishy too. This is thick. Hello guys, I have a face reveal. Hello. Ang boring pa din. Face reveal yan? Dito. Dapat nasa stairs tayo. Dapat umakyat
Pero
tayo.
pagkadating mo, pwede naman natin ipagawa. Masusingit naman na natin.
Part 3. Ulit. Part 3. Bye. Ulit. Bye. No. Magpangalan ka muna, Bebo. Yung totoong pangalan. I'm Nadia AGS. Guys. Guys, I'm Sherry. And my name is Marjulan Nabuan. And my real name, and I'm 9 years old. And she is 6 years old. And she is 5 years old. Me. Where's my dede? You. Dede. Tama. Sa stairs na tayo. Sa stairs na tayo. Part